Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Mazda CX-5 headlight bulb easy guide. Start by parking on level ground and opening the hood, then locate the headlight assembly at the front of the vehicle. Put on gloves to protect the bulb from oils and disconnect the negative battery cable. Have your H11 replacement bulb and a flashlight nearby, and ensure the engine is cool before you begin removing the dust cover and clips carefully. Now remove the dust cover by turning or unclipping it to reveal the bulb socket, then shine a light to see the connections clearly. Press the wiring harness release tab and pull the connector straight back without twisting to avoid damage. Grip the bulb socket and rotate it counterclockwise until it frees from the housing, then carefully pull the old bulb straight out to avoid touching nearby plastic or wiring that could snag. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so you get more easy car tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes hands-free timers and music perfect for garage projects, and it pairs well with safety reminders while swapping bulbs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and if you pick it up it can make work more fun and efficient. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new H11 bulb by the plastic base only and never touch the glass with bare hands to prevent hot spots and premature failure. Insert the bulb straight into the socket, then rotate it clockwise until it locks into place and feels secure. Reconnect the wiring harness firmly, briefly reconnect the battery to test the headlight operation, and once confirmed, reinstall the dust cover and secure any clips or screws you removed earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.